aina nuai si we miss certain section yaragati FIR si amuka hanna review to yabani masiyungtang mani police ki mi ga tabi regadi ko ai humble appeal ni ada khoi minister akhoi gi home minister ga tabi regadi ungtang section yang wale ne kamai to jano lairi ka si pa panadra bra khole bak si bab ta de kano si IPC gumba barte nai sanita ji police ti pur sa tawni segak ta ye pa ko khoi constitution ye pa do maina police na barte nai sanita si laibak ta thia sa tawni ko section khra pandre ni si kamai to jano bab ta de adu we still hope si amona happy ren khali Parliament section si section pikaraw ngakta nemi si the panba ba section khara IPC ki section khara adubu NI na madu pai da he will decide kaino ka si NI gi kaino de yawda ba schedule office di yawde ba ko yawdra ga su NI actually section 8 tam yawi NI also investigated khoi connected offenses haidna connected offense ka sumana direct magi schedule offense natra ka sumadu khara mana loksun bangam me bako adu pochum adu adai da lak to ni adu panba ba section si hidai sum i da mo gi FIR si the policy 140 de koina law khong ba loirable section duni kidnapping or abduction in order to murder or for ransom etc ha ba sigina maximum the 10 year si ju samale si section si ju panbi katang chamme ade wrongful ade section 142 barte nai sanita gi yaursi wrongful concealing or kidnapping in confinement kidnap or abducted person sa mane ji 140 duni adagi ama wrongful confinement and samjang mi pha ga thambado chalhandabado adu wrongful confinement gi pali adu hayeng rai targa di maximum da 3 year imprisonment khatani adu yokatare si jo adagi 310 gi akogi subsection 6 am ga pali akoina samna 310 6 aje ko sina dacoity to budo Quran do geng toroga geng of person na habitually commit dacoity to bani adu masida hayeng daw yaraga di akoi conviction pi ta ga di imprisonment for life lakpa yai aduga nataga na 10 year imprisonment death penalty gi amti yawde adu
127.6 yaw mal 127.6
yaw adu masam sangak tani da aina panjari sina hojiki se sida yawgdaba section khar yawdre ba ko yam yawdu ka kanda 249 yawgdabani 249 sina akoi harboring offenders haidana huji ki moi fa badu da kari khundugi mi yawi khulak pa yawi digi micham gam yawri ba terrorist harbor tawri moina adu masi moi da 249 su palaga
BNS ki 249 ji yawdre
BNS yawdre ade amana 111 yawdre organized crime ase organized crime ni moina tawri si weapons ki kari gi drug ki kari gi tawri mi phadok phajing crime syndicate ne chober ama business amoi tawjari ni moi thaba moina acting in concern ni and 111 ma pandre aduga 113 terrorist act anam yawse sisu pandaba adubu masida khoina amadi argument ma tobi ai 113 terrorist act si panta ga de mai pak ta ga di mose death penalty phangbagi positive lay terrorist act ni proof tok ta ga 113 adu tawbudabu masi equivalent amada 113 sigi magi explanation am piriba either nasai superintendent of police ki not below the superintendent of police sigi officers na decide tawduni whether BNS ki 113 pansira natraga UPA gi unlawful activity prevention act ki adu makhara tawsira ni lep ko doini adubu unlawful activity prevention act ki section 16 2 du di yaw dena ko aduna 16(1) B yauri bako adom da khala kanda moina unlawful activity prevention act ni chachara ge na pan gi bane bako ani mo tu no pan ba ya da ba adu gi potu da 113 je lok thok ki ni lo ya ba khoina ko aduna song 16(1) B of unlawful activity prevention act pan adu sidida mai pak ta ga de hayeng death penalty phangba yani section 16 gi makha da simayam kanare adu ai nam palaning ba section no miss tawre masi thawingi toy to gi khangde kari section ha kan section arm section yawde simasu berani mo si nungmai pai da baro mi sing du ba phasi nungmai pha
the detainees released out given to piecing to na high body combat uniform se likhulai pai hai moi sine ki
adu kai gi no why they are not applying arm sec pan this ni kai gi no nungmai pai utu pai ja birsan pai o jalo mo jibo simai angak pa arm sec pan da ba se arm sec the NI gi jurisdiction ju yaw bani and I am very surprised arm sec palan da ba se sima kai mai to nu khang de arm sec arm sec ki makha da lak to ni ko sima pan bidre anyway pan da ba khota ba siam tawi mani pusana le bak sida aduga section 103 subsection 2 sima pan da sidi ai pi dai kap ningi 1032 1032 sidi pan ga da ni very important si ai na se potai ai to in haija bado ko police ka yaw bi raga di masi section jong isan biu 103 clause number 2 subsection 2 samna haga 1032 har se ba ko sina mi manga tra manga de hen bana acting in concern di moi chamara intention lo na tawba ka do do ba commit murder to do ba ka do kari da on the ground of race, caste, community, sex, place of birth, language, personal belief, or any other similar ground. How do you hali Naga or begini ni moina tawisi? Not this is a very fair community race to Tobaneva call. Adu Togadi, Sigi Palmna, death penalty, Pangnever. See, the Maruba section never.
The FIR modified over
Amu Haitare and I and I Summa Hapsan Gena is the government pursuit of Tare Aduga and I quarter Putropoda and I and Hapam Chani. Shima Haps young Puani. I told organized crime ki arms ki 103 yarum daba Summa Singsi yarum dragadi haying aside unlawful activity prevents act to adu the proof of Modragadi Moidi imprisonment for 3 years. I say you Pado Taga to never say you Pado I do the Amu Paba Pumbatoring the Krazil the Kerlabuduna haying adum a cook how many days you are in the imprisonment prison the cam like in trial towing at the Haido Kajin Torga Manariaga Louis Viaribo. Other income with the Sumaina Man the Masi section pallamdre on Kratana with the Padoni section FIR Parmayagi Kainoka which is losing Sabatapodum Tauler and the Kamatuma section Masamati as also section in Kalambase. The Hojiki High Court Laisigi Aquina High Court was Helutogeri Dam Pazaba Port Madugudi High Court
monitor the Rabnina.
High Court power and period of can see the Constitution. Article 227 Haivanga 220 Haivanga, Man Haji 220 Makadani, and the 227 in the Kanakanda. Power of High Court is a power to superintend all court within its jurisdiction. My judicial labor court must one superintendent Tobunga. I do report any High Court of Taurisi, I do Hidayam Pazabam, High Court of PDC, some of them a low direct KSC, must Matanga D. Now, I action taken report Pew Haramina. Yes, from the Duodan Hojiti, Kari Haragana, action taken report by NIA. NIA and Kari action Laura Gaze Dog Durib, no part of our investigation Kadayo, Resuina, action taken report on the Pidurib NIN. I don't know Tarpadi, KSC, critical junction the liar, Heidi Court Shoe, look hung upon it. High Court Chief Justice ka ade just among division bench pharmacy they knows what's happening in Manipur more hanging High Court ki magi or magi quarter residential quarters lay bang ta ku si lay bin nei ni mo nukti khabar pai ni why wo ko loi na khang aba ne khang moi da nga sai judge ni na kaisu moi na mapan tholaga adu to ya da min ko lo gi through the lak pani nga sai hai ba do mai na low sometimes sleep but never dies akuna kawya de low di tumbe wani si days but low si banai de aduna je high court hagol mean high court action to bum change ba ko mathang de NIA na angon de yam case le NIA ge case am successfully Supreme Court high court na direction piraga mai pak pale ba ko akoi ji kanam to thaja da bum lai government we never believe government je ko thaja dre kai na kanda akoi de thoiba crime si chahi home plus ne 1 year plus with Yaba.
Thank you so much.
So you we do believe government. I student of Luomoina, I know Taza court and I shall
court intervention.
I only believe the court. I would you call it court na Pazapas Hukum Tautaviro, or Aquidi Sartas in the Pagitoini, unless until Nundang court in Nundangai, Nundangai the Garbel High. Court and garbels in order talk the book to orders in Lakta Vaitare. As the money put low in order Ibani, low the lay. Adu tu magalay order late. High court and gravel sit or done hard the yard and rain kamada Karang kan Tabiro he lay not the way of obsolete. Could she doing I live Zibata never call.
Thank you.
We only believe Supreme Court High Court.
Thank you.